Hey y'all, this is Bethany from Southern Couture. So happy today. As you can tell, I have some really fun stuff sitting here on my desk and I can't wait to share with y'all. You are looking at these really beautiful goodies in the next devotional kit from Illustrated Faith for February for 2020. And of course, February is the Valentine's Day. And I love Valentine's Day. I love February. I love any excuse or reason to celebrate a holiday. So I'm really excited to see how Illustrated Faith has taken what's normally like, this love month with chocolates and candies and teddy bears and all of that stuff that we think of, and to see it in a kit from a biblical side of it where we're talking about wholehearted. So it's going to be a fun kit. I can't wait. Let me just dive in. Say a big thank you to Illustrated Faith for sending me these goodies that I get to share with all of y'all to work through it. I hope that you will check out Illustrated Faith. If you have never had one of their kits before, you are missing out. I'm going to leave a link down below in the description where you can grab the kit. They usually have add-ons in the shops and things like that. The kit is also, the devotional content will be in their digital shop, as well as some of the ephemera, little pieces like that you can cut out, print and cut out yourself. So that is always an option too if you're interested in that. Either way, I hope you will dive in with us. So when I opened up the package, I was so surprised and just so excited by this little beauty. This is a sticker, and this whole piece is sticker. So all of this can be reused, and what it is it says, "Join us for Squad Goals." It's a new devotional series from Patty Parker and art from Mandy Ford that's available in their Print and Pray digital shop. So like I was talking about those devotional contents, they have a new devotional that is in their shop right now that you can get, and this is going to be an ongoing series. And what they did was, and help to have this as a reminder of the series, and they've made a sticker out of it. Look at that. I had one of the good quality stickers that we get in the kids each month. They've made that into a sticker, and the whole sheet's a sticker. So you're going to get all of this right here that you can cut out and use too. So I just thought that little jacket with that on it was just way too cute, and I love that idea. I'm so excited that they did that now. Now this was also included, and I'll share it real quick. These were included in the package that she sent me with this really cute, adorable, the little touches that they add just makes it over the top, with this pink ribbon and the little traveler's notebooks with the hearts, and the inside them are white pages, but then it also has this black and white "I love you," and then this heart one on the inside has hearts with different tones. So usually they have traveler's notebooks as add-ons in the kit to go along with the kits here. So make sure you look in the shop for all those add-ons that you might want to get as well. Now, just recently, the last few kits, I believe, we have started getting them in these bags, which is amazing. It has the pocket on the front with this little kit card in it. So when you're done, you can take that card out if you want and put another, card in here or whatever that you want to label. So if you want to reuse this bag once we're done, if you want to store all of your, the devotionals and things like that in here, you could do that once you're finished with them. So the bag is really cute, and I just love that. What my favorite part of the whole thing is that they thought of this. It goes all the way down on one side, so we're not trying to jam stuff in. We can't hardly see what we've got. It'll go there, so you can open up the entire bag, and it makes it a lot easier. So let's just dive in, guys. This is a true unboxing. I have not looked at the kit yet. I'm seeing it right here with y'all for the first time, and I've already seen some things that I think I'm going to try not to squill because they're so cute. Okay, so first we have our washi crush. Obviously, you guys know, if you've watched my unboxings, I like to save this and reuse the packaging on everything. So I'm not going to open it completely, but this is basically what your washi looks like. You have all these hearts. We've got the rainbow shades of hearts. You'll see from red and pink all the way through the rainbow there. It's so cute. I love that. But what I really want to find is, there's usually the kit card. Here it is. This is what I wanted. So here's your kit card. It says, "Thank you, friend." You've got your color crush up here so you can see the kit colors. So if you're wanting to match any kind of paints or markers, stamps, things like that. And then as you go through, it'll have a little letter here, and it says, "Becca." I had no clue. I am so excited for her. Becca is the author for this month's kit, which is so sweet. So make sure you're following her on Instagram. It has her handle there. Oh, I'm so excited that she is the author of this kit. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. And then here's a little sneak peek for the next month's kit. You'll always be able to see that, which I really love. And then on the back, oh, there's some artwork and design that you can always repurpose and use these. I keep saying every month, I'm going to show y'all a way that I like, that I've been wanting to keep these. And I promise it's coming. It's just, I need to find the time to sit down and do it. But anyways, oh, I'm so excited, Becca. Oh, that's so fun. So let's grab the devotional. We looked at the washi. You've got your thank you card, and then you have the little kit sticker which says "Call to Love," which is so sweet. I love it. It's the those nice thick stickers you can put on water bottles or different things. We have our devotional booklet here, which is so fun. It's got the heart with the wholehearted again on it. I love how they've used the graph and like the little staple there. So fun. Even the back of it's just adorable with this rainbow. So cute. So I won't flip through the entire thing, but I want to show you a little bit of it. You've got that same hearts that we saw over here. So fun. You have a little note from Becca, which I can't wait to read. I just think that is so sweet that she wrote this, and I cannot wait to see her heart and what she shares. So you have your devotion here, wholehearted. I love that she has that defined. Oh, that's just so me already. I love that. I love defining words and looking things up like that when I'm studying. And then she's got some little questions, devotional content here. Next we go to seek, and she's defining it again with a devotional. And then I'm thinking it looks like wholehearted, maybe this may be more of like a title type. Yeah, it is. It's okay. So this is wholehearted. This must be a poem. And she says the day she heard this poem, she's talking about that, read the poem. And so she's going to give you a little backstory of the devotion. I love that. I love when you get to hear their insight. So it kind of makes the whole thing come together and make sense a little bit better for where they were coming from. And so then over here, you see our first devotional is seek. You'll get journaling prompts here, scriptures. We've got trust, more journaling prompts to give thanks, your prompts. I love all these colors. This is going to be so fun. You've got love. Of course, we had to include love. More journaling prompts. And then back here, she has some more, like we've got some scripture here, an excerpt from that poem, and then she ends it with a little thank you for joining us, and then she has some other little fun things over here in the back. And so I just love this. It's so fun. Becca, I'm so excited for her. She has such a sweetheart, and this just looks so much like her in the way that it's all laid out with the poems, and she loves theater, so it's just so much like her. I love that. So we've got the devotional there, and then the first thing I saw, y'all, when I opened it, I thought I was going to have it fit. These are like little heart pieces and like banners, but they're like fabric texture. Oh, I've been wanting this for so long. I'm assuming that, yes, they're stickers. So it looks like you should be able to, I'm trying to find, like, it looks like there's a place where you can peel it up easily. Because I want to, like, show it to you if I can. Yes, here we go. Oh, no, I'm messing it up. Okay, maybe I peeled off too much. Or I could be completely wrong, and there may not be adhesive backing. It could just be you just stick it down with adhesive, and so I kind of pulled that one up. I bet that's what it is. But I told y'all I had not unboxed this yet, so it may be these aren't adhesive. Like, I know there's adhesive for that, but I think, okay. So correct me if I'm wrong, and at the time I'm recording this, I haven't, like, I just opened it, so anyways, if it's not adhesive on the back, which it may not be, and I'm thinking it's not, you can just, of course, put your adhesive runner and put it down. So either way, it's still so fun. So you get tons of them. Let me just open them a little bit more and show you. You'll get hearts. You have like these little flag pennants. I won't dump all of them out because you can see here some of them in the bag. You get, I mean, look, there's tons, and I still have tons of them in my hand with all these hearts. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be fun. I can't wait to go through this with y'all. Okay, so you see you got all of those. Then, on top of that, you're gonna get these, looks like some phrases and some words. These were designed by Wilna, and I love this. how beautiful is that? What a beautiful name with the lettering. And it's just like tons and tons of phrases that I'm sure will go right along with this. Devotionals, Jesus loves me, yes and amen. But isn't that fun, that like texture and pattern? Draw me closer. Oh, that one I love. I'm kind of stuck on this mustard color lately. I love that. Lover of my soul. So tons of phrases. I love you, Lord, to go right along with this kit. And just imagine like putting this down and layering, like putting this all, you know, like layering pieces on top and having all of these hearts just kind of popping off. It's going to be so cute. I can't wait to see what y'all do too, because I have so many ideas just running through my head right now. So here's the stamp set for this month. And oh, I love it. Whenever we get a stamp set, like I said before, when you can use it in other kits and not just this one, I get obsessed. So this will go in my stash. That is like one that I will pull all the time and keep close, because you have all of these words that are going to be so fun to use. Wholehearted, obviously I love when they use a kit, the kit title and a stamp. That's great. And then you've got love, I, or the X and O, you. Oh, it's so much fun. I love these little squiggly lines. I'm always doing that in my journaling anyways, to reference and pull to notes. The heart, all of these different shapes that we all see throughout the kit, the X's and O's. Again, this love, almost like if you were to stamp the word love and then, you know, how you just keep stamping to get the ink off. That's what it reminds me of. And last month we had, and in other kits we've seen where they've done that with amen. So I love that they did it with this word too, love, huh? Okay, so anyways, I'm getting a little too excited here. And then over here is the last part, is a little sticker sheet that we have included. This is, it says Goldenrod 1 Canoe 2, I believe, by American Crafts. I may be saying that wrong, but I love this. How cute is this? I love when they pull other elements outside that will work with this kit. And so I see a lot of fun things that we could use, even keeping these for summer. But these like flowers and the little bike, how sweet would that be, you know, sitting on top of this little heart and having that heart tucked in behind it. So much fun. So I just love that they introduce other things to us as well, that they can support other shops and include it in the kit, so you get a little bit of everything. So that is this kit for February. Wholehearted, guys. I can't wait. That is my favorite too. I mean, these little fabric type textured pieces, the die cuts, they're just so cute and creative, and it's going to be fun to come up with ideas and see what we all do with this as we get into the word. So make sure it's a kit you want to get. If nothing else, for these little beauties, head over to Illustrated Faith. The link to buy is down in the description, and I hope you will join us. If you can't do the physical, like I said, they always have it in digital as well, and you are going to love it. Make sure you're subscribed. Click that bell icon so you know the next video comes out, because I will be sharing a setup of my traveler's notebook. If you guys are interested, let me know. I like to share it. I hope that it will help, but you know, sometimes maybe you've seen enough and you know, don't care to see it anymore. But if you do, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear, and I'll be back again very soon. See y'all then. Bye-bye.